Hello, I'm Andrew, Product Manager at Ego. Today, I'm going to walk through the key features of the AURA R2, our next generation robotic mower designed for domestic users with medium to large lawns. This is a wire-free solution available in 3 models: the RMR 1500, covering up to 1,500 square meters, the RMR 3000, covering up to 3,000 square meters, and the RMR 6000, covering up to 6,000 square meters. All 3 models have similar hardware and all of the technology and functionality we talk about today. The AURA R2 combines intelligent navigation, adaptable mowing performance, and full user control, all without the need for boundary wires. At the heart of AURA R2 is its PathIQ navigation system. Now, PathIQ isn't a single technology, it's a fusion system that combines 3 layers of positioning and mapping: RTK GPS, VSLAM, and VIO. And each layer handles a different challenge. RTK provides absolute accuracy using satellite data and correction signals, while VSLAM enables the mower to visually map and localize itself based on what it sees through its binocular camera. VIO, or visual inertial odometry, allows it to track real-time movement using its motion sensors. And together, these systems allow AURA R2 to operate with precision and reliability, even in complex or partially obstructed environments. PathIQ is constantly blending data from these 3 sources, adjusting the navigation dynamically and autonomously as the environmental conditions change around it. And because it knows exactly where it is, the AURA R2 doesn't move randomly. It follows planned, striped mowing patterns, covering ground efficiently and improving lawn appearance over time. The cutting height is electronically adjustable from 20 to 90 millimeters in 5mm steps, and 45-watt wheel motors and intelligent slope handling allow the machine to work across slopes of up to 50%, or around 27 degrees, without affecting the systematic mowing pattern or damaging the lawn surface. 3 pivoting blades prevent damage to the machine or the environment should they hit a hard obstacle, and also deliver a clean cut finish. All clippings are dropped as a fine mulch back onto the lawn, improving lawn health and appearance over time. All 3 models deliver fast charging and efficient coverage, capable of up to 3,000 square meters in 24 hours. Before mapping the lawn, the first decision is how the mower will receive its GPS positioning correction data, either via a local RTK antenna or through our network RTK service. With the local RTK antenna option, a dedicated antenna is installed somewhere on the property, either directly surface mounted or using one of our pole accessories for floor or wall mounting. This antenna sends correction signals to the mower using low power, low RAR connection, allowing for precise navigation without relying on the internet or mobile networks. One of the key benefits of local RTK is that it operates entirely offline. There's no ongoing subscription costs, and it provides a stable connection within around 260 meters, as long as there's a reasonably clear line of sight between the mower and the antenna. It's a good fit for open or moderately obstructed gardens, and it gives users full local control over their system setup. And installing the antenna is straightforward, but it does require choosing a suitable mounting location, ideally with minimal overhead obstructions to maintain signal quality. Alternatively, AURA R2 can be set up using network RTK. In this case, the mower connects to our correction service over Wi-Fi or 4G, which means there's no need to install the physical antenna on site. This option is especially well suited to gardens where installing local hardware isn't practical. For example, spaces with big tree coverage, irregular layouts, or limited access to mounting points. It also simplifies the setup for users who prefer self-installation. Network RTK offers a clean plug-and-play experience, making it ideal for those who want to get started quickly. It uses slightly more data than a local RTK, so relies on a quick, consistent network coverage or Wi-Fi access across the whole work area. Once either local or network RTK is configured, the next step is mapping the lawn area. AURA R2 offers several mapping methods depending on how hands-on the user wants to be. Remote control mapping allows the user to drive the mower around the boundary using the controller from within the Ego Connect app. Push to map enables your Ego dealer to quickly and efficiently guide the mower around the perimeter using the AURA R2 mapping tool. It provides precise control and is best suited for large, detailed or irregular lawns. Auto mapping will be introduced in a future update, and this mode will use the onboard sensors and PathIQ navigation to automatically generate a map with minimal input from the user. This is ideal for simpler or enclosed lawns. Mapping and installation are designed to accommodate different user types, from professional users to those looking for a quick self-setup experience. The combination of flexible RTK options and multiple mapping methods ensures that AURA R2 can be tailored to a wide range of lawn types and user preferences. Multiple work areas can be defined using the same simple setup process. And within these work areas, no-go zones can be marked to protect features such as small trees, ponds, flower beds, or rewilded sections of the lawn that the mower may not detect itself. Multiple work areas can then be connected via transport paths, allowing the AURA R2 to navigate and operate across them all autonomously. This same transport path functionality can be used to guide the machine back to the charging station, enabling the station to be placed out of sight and off of the main lawn for added convenience. In addition to navigation, AURA R2's Path IQ technology uses AI-powered vision to detect and avoid obstacles. With high processing power, the system quickly distinguishes between static and dynamic objects and responds appropriately. It continuously adapts its working logic to operate smoothly in busy, complex gardens, safely navigating around children, pets, and even wildlife. Thanks to built-in automatic fill lights, the system maintains effective obstacle avoidance in low light conditions, enabling safe operation even at night. A 180-degree front bumper sensor adds an extra layer of protection and allows the machine to avoid getting trapped in tight spaces. All AURA R2 models are IP66 rated for weather resistance, but it also makes maintenance as easy as possible, as it means the unit can be cleaned with a pressure washer. All machines also include a rain sensor, allowing the user to automatically park the mower in wet conditions, preventing damage to the lawn. With Bluetooth, integrated Wi-Fi and 3 years of included cellular data, all of the machine controls and settings can be conveniently managed through the Ego Connect app. On the machine itself, the screen interface is very simple. It shows current battery level across the top and mowing progress across the bottom. Indicators in each corner show the connection status of the machine. A simple 3-button interface allows the machine to be powered on and off, started and parked. A user-defined 4-digit PIN helps prevent any unauthorized access. Supplemented by GPS tracking, geofence alerts and remote lock functions, these features deliver robust security, deter theft and provide early warnings if the machine is interrupted during normal operation or ends up somewhere that it shouldn't. Within the Ego Connect app itself, up to 40 mowing zones can be defined and managed for the machine. Users can customize mowing schedules with full 24/7 control available across each individual mapped work area, so the machine can be set to work in the area that you want it, when you want it to work there. Mowing direction and cut height can also be set independently for each work area, giving full control over the finish of your lawns. Lighting and voice interface of the machine is also tunable, allowing AURA R2 to blend into your garden, or may be made to stand out depending on which you prefer. There's also a choice between fine mowing mode or a faster coverage in standard mode, depending on your lawn size and the finish that you require. To summarise, the AURA R2 offers high precision, fully autonomous mowing without the complexity of a boundary wire installation. Path IQ navigation, safety features and user customization all work together to make it a fully flexible and capable garden solution. Thank you for watching.